Hello guys, today we are looking at Google Analytics. It is a service or tool provided by Google, and what it does, it gives you data or analytics for your website, like how many people go there and like from where are they coming from. So just search up Google Analytics and then click on their link, and then you're just gonna click start measuring and account name. Just click next. Create Google Analytics for property to measure your property name. I'll just say video production. Yeah, and then we'll just do our time zone. I'm the United States, not Los Angeles. We are Central, which would be one of these, I guess. Then we use USD, or it's a dollar, US dollar here. And click on next. This information, we have small business. You just choose whatever applies to you and fill it out. Optimize, measure data, optimize. Yeah, you can choose all these and create. Then just click accept. Email communication, you can choose what emails you can get from Google Analytics. And feedback, I'll like testing, make feature, save, take a tour. So you can look at the home page. So it's kind of like your dashboard. It shows like the main stuff. And there's a navigation bar, so your sidebar. So let's click on reports or snapshot, see an overview of important information about our users. So how long they stayed on our site and how many people came to the site, it shows on here. And then for more details, you could click the links at the bottom of cards. Of course, there's different reports that will help us learn the user's behavior. So you could look at the monetization. Let's just click next. Exploration. You can gain a deeper understanding of your data for advanced techniques. So let's look at that. Click next. Advertising. And we'll look at advertising here. And so like how many people saw the ad and then clicked on it, like the ratio will show. And then you could add users, I guess, and edit. You could add permissions. For more help, if you have like a question or try to find something but you can't like look, you can just search it up. And that is how you open up a Google Analytics page or the tool, and you can use it here. Thank you for watching.